Hello children, welcome back to video classes. In the last class we learned about few of naming words. Today we are going to learn lesson 5, the naming words of birds. That's names of birds. We'll see which bird names what. Okay, what we'll call for these birds. Okay, yeah, this is woodpecker, peacock, parrot, ostrich, crow, cock, kingfisher, eagle, duck, sparrow, owl, pigeon. This is the names of animals. That's lesson number 6. The naming words of animals. Monkey, elephant, kangaroo, deer, yak, tiger, zebra, rabbit, buffalo, giraffe, horse, lion. And this is your lesson number 7, the naming words of things. The things which we use in our daily life. Ball, rose, car, bat, table, pencil, umbrella, fan. And children, this is lesson 8, the classification of naming words. This is your HW. You just complete and send it to my WhatsApp number. Take care. Bye.